လောကကြီးကိုဖန်ဆင်းတာလည်းမမြင်ခဲ့ရတယ်လို့လူကိုဖန်ဆင်းတာလည်းမမြင်ခဲ့ရဘူးအာရန်နဲ့အေဝတီပင်လေဘာတစ်ခုမှမြင်ခဲ့ရတာမရှိဘူးပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ကြီးတဦးကနေပြီးတော့ငါကဖန်ဆင်းပါတယ်လို့ပြောလို့လက်ခံလိုက်ရတာပဲရှိတယ်ဘယ်သူမှဒီလောကကြီးကိုဖန်ဆင်းထားကြောင်းမြင်ခဲ့တွေ့ခဲ့သိခဲ့တဲ့ကိုယ်တိုင်သိကိုယ်တိုင်တွေ့တဲ့လူတယောက်တစ်စုံတစ်ယောက်မှမရှိဘူး
Now ask your next question. That's how did our universe come into existence? The person of knowledge will tell us that first our universe was one primary nebula. Then there was a secondary separation, there's a Big Bang, which gave rise to galaxies, the stars, the sun, and the planet Earth on which we live. When did you come to know? He will tell you we came to know about 35 years back, 40 years back, Big Bang. Now this thing is mentioned in the Quran 1400 years ago in Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 30, where it's mentioned, Avalam yaral lazina kafru. Do not the unbelievers see, anna samawati wal arda, kanat ratkan fasaknahuma, that the heavens and the earth were joined together and we clove them asunder. This Big Bang we're talking about is mentioned in the Quran in a nutshell 1400 years ago. Some will say, maybe it's a fluke. No problem, don't argue with it. I ask the next question. What is the shape of the earth? So the person will tell me that the shape of the earth is spherical. When I ask the question, when did you come to know? He will tell that recently, 100 years back, 200 years back, previously we thought that the earth is flat. It was in 1577 when Sir Francis Drake, he sailed around the earth and he proved that the earth was spherical. The Quran mentioned 14 years ago in Surah Naziyat, chapter number 79, verse number 30. Wal arda ba'da zalika dahaha. And thereafter we have made the earth egg-shaped. And today we know that the world is not completely round like a ball. It is geospherical in shape. It is starting from the pole and bulging from the center. And the Arabic word dahaha refers to the egg of an ostrich. And if you analyze, the shape of an egg of an ostrich is geospherical in shape. Who could have mentioned that the earth is geospherical in shape in the Quran 1400 years ago? Someone will say, okay, maybe a prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was very intelligent. Don't argue. Continue. When we ask the atheist or a person who doesn't believe in the Quran that the light of the moon, is it its own light or reflected light? So he will tell us that previously we thought that the light of the moon was its own light. Recently, 100 years back, 200 years back, we came to know that the light of the moon is reflected light of the sun. The Quran mentions in Surah Furqan, chapter 25, verse 61, that the light of the moon is borrowed light. It's described as munir or nur, borrowed light or reflected light. Who could have mentioned this in the Quran 14 years ago? When I was in school, I had learned that the earth and the moon, they revolved and they rotated. But the sun was stationary. It did not rotate about its own axis.